Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, September 9th. It looks like today will be the last in a series of hot days here in the Mid-Atlantic region. A strong cool front will push eastward across the Ohio Valley today, reaching the I-95 corridor by tomorrow morning. The threat for showers and thunderstorms will increase later today, and that increased threat will continue tonight, and it looks like pretty widespread showers and thunderstorms can be expected during the day. Thursday, much cooler and less humid air moves in by Friday. And right now the weekend is looking quite questionable. Another disturbance will cross over the Midwestern states early in the weekend, and it looks like by later Saturday and especially during the day on Sunday we could have more showers and perhaps some thunderstorm activity here in the Mid-Atlantic region. And it'll turn quite cool with those clouds and potential rainfall later in the weekend and early part of next week. Perhaps high temperatures confined to the low to middle 70s in some parts of the I-95 corridor. Let's first start off by looking at the latest surface map. A couple of cold frontal systems right now cutting across the Ohio Valley. Both of these will consolidate into one main cool frontal system that should arrive along the East Coast early tomorrow. Again, temperatures this afternoon will once again reach the hot 90-degree mark up and down the I-95 corridor, give or take a couple of degrees. But tomorrow will be not nearly as hot. In fact, it's possible that temperatures could actually drop during much of the day as that frontal system does move into the area early in the day. I don't expect to see high temperatures greater than 80 degrees and perhaps even confined to the 70s in some parts of the I-95 corridor on Thursday, along with those expected showers and thunderstorms. Well, here's the very latest infrared satellite imagery loop from the Penn State Ewald site. A couple things I want to point out. First of all, out over the Ohio Valley, notice a lot of bright whites and some color here. This is associated with the frontal system. Higher and thicker clouds here, some showers and embedded thunderstorms. We'll look at the radar in a moment. Mostly low clouds here, depicted here by the infrared satellite imagery loop. This kind of pale white indicates low clouds across central Pennsylvania, even into southeastern Pennsylvania. Most of this will burn off over the next couple of hours, and then will be followed by partial sunshine. That sunshine will help to boost afternoon temperatures again to near 90 degrees, but some early morning low clouds will have to burn off first before the sunshine increases during the middle and latter part of the morning hours. Well, here's the latest radar loop. Most of the I-95 corridor is in the clear right now in terms of rainfall. It's very humid, some patchy fog around, and those low clouds we just talked about. Most of the precipitation with the frontal system is still well out to our west across the Ohio Valley. Certainly can be a shower or thunderstorm later this afternoon, and especially tonight. Really any time tonight there can be some shower or thunderstorm activity this evening, and again later tonight there's probably an increasing chance of showers and thunderstorms, and that likelihood will continue during the day on Thursday. Certainly can be some heavy rainfall as this front slowly grinds its way through the region on Thursday. That heavy rainfall threat exists from late tonight through the day on Thursday. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps using last night's zero-Z GFS model run. We'll look at this evening, Wednesday evening, and then 24-hour increments all the way through the weekend. For this evening, GFS is producing some light greens in the I-95 corridor. Again, there will be an increasing chance for showers and thunderstorms later this afternoon. That threat increases overnight tonight. Could be some heavy rainfall by late tonight in the I-95 corridor as that frontal system gradually pushes into the eastern part of the country. Well, let's jump ahead 24 hours to tomorrow evening, Thursday evening, and at this time low pressure is actually forming right along that frontal system along the East Coast right here, enhancing the rainfall. Some heavy precipitation in the form of showers and embedded thunderstorms is likely up and down the I-95 corridor, especially in Philadelphia and New York City. Many areas can receive 1 to 2 inches of rain from this frontal system over the next 24 to 36 hours or so. Well, here's the forecast map from last night's zero-Z GFS model run for Friday night. We'll be generally in the clear here on Friday in terms of precipitation. Cannot rule out a shower, a cooler day, less humid day, partly sunny skies. But notice just to the west, another area of moisture gathering together here across the Ohio Valley behind that cool high pressure over the northern plains. This is the beginning sign of a pretty impressive looking disturbance that pushes into the Mid-Atlantic region over the weekend. In fact, let's jump ahead another 24 hours. And here we go. Here's the forecast map for Saturday evening. Low pressure pushes into the Mid-Atlantic region, some upper-level support, a large area of showers and embedded thunderstorms depicted here by the GFS for late Saturday, Saturday night, and especially on the day Sunday. This will be a slow mover to the north and east. So certainly the weekend is beginning to look more and more questionable here in the Mid-Atlantic region, with the threat for a cool rain by the time Sunday rolls around. Perhaps high temperatures confined to the middle 70s on Sunday, with lots of clouds, showers likely, and perhaps some embedded thunderstorms. And all that will be followed by this high pressure by early next week with another cool air mass. So again, today is the last in a series of hot days. High temperatures this afternoon in and around the 90-degree mark up and down the I-90.